Alrighty guys, so we've been trying to figure out driver's order. To make it interesting, I've come up with a competition. And it seems simple on the outside, but I promise you, getting into a race car is not as easy as it looks. I've set up a competition with a couple parameters. You have to have your shoes on, your racing suit on, your helmet on, you have to get into the car, you have to put the steering wheel on, you have to close the door, and that's when the time will stop. How you choose to do that and what order is up to you. Some people might decide to jump in it, then put their helmet on. Some people might put their helmet on first. We're gonna let it be dealer's choice, jump in from the opposite window, jump in from the sunroof that's not there anymore. You do it however you want, and that's how we're gonna pick the driver's order. And this is important. If you're the 5th driver in a car that was built by me, you got a very big chance of not driving this weekend. And the reason being, it's an endurance race. We're gonna give her hell from the start. You really wanna be on the top of that list. The first driver is gonna get out there and roll with it. For example, my very first race with my boy Dwayne in the Danger Ranger, we made it 12 laps. I raced the 12th lap. So he brought it in, on lap 12, the car blew up. I was the 2nd person on the list. So if you want some drive time, you're really gonna try hard to get into that driver's seat faster than anybody else. It's probably not gonna be me. Jay's tiny, and I feel like he's just gonna somersault into it, and it's gonna take him about 3 seconds. I'm probably gonna struggle even just putting my shoes on and getting in that car, but I'm gonna give her all she's got. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, go! Alrighty, so we're getting there. Another weekend at the garage. We did get an email talking about tow straps and where you tow. We've got our nice, beautiful sticker here, and underneath this, Mercedes has its own hook. That's what we've been using. They say that that is now not allowed. It needs to be one of those soft hooks. So these are the straps here. Got ourselves a little Sparko set, and we're either gonna put it connected to the bumper on the inside there, or we're gonna figure out how to get them connected under here, and then kind of same thing in the rear. And
I brought the welder, so we'll weld whatever we got to weld in to get it, fastened so they won't rip it off the car.
Hell
off the
yeah.
track.
What else are we working on? We have a trans cooler, a separate trans cooler inside of it, and Jay bought us a fan, so we're gonna try to hook that fan up just to give it some extra cooling power, so we don't blow that thing up again. Fingers crossed. We've also got the dashboard. We've been putting this bad boy together. We're gonna get that installed. Jason's gonna help us put that in today, and then we're good to go. That'll keep us busy. And then the panel pieces on the side, we're gonna clean up the side here. I've got an idea in my head on how to do that, so we're gonna clean up those holes, keep it nice and easy.
Here, I'm gonna get this out. There's the bigger tires with the spacer still wasn't clearing. So, smoke going down the road.
go between the plastic and the metal and just slide it in.
Something will just rip the bumper off.
Maybe not rip it off, but it could damage it.
Yeah, I don't want it over there at all.
Yeah. I was thinking it'd be good here.
Yeah.
It doesn't come off of hammer. I'm not stupid.
Dancing boy. Work on it.
So much for that bit. We got an extra part in the car now. Got through one layer. Sucker top. Give me all you got. That will spin if they pull us, but it won't come undone.
Okay.
Should be good. Tow hooks done.
I think I have to take this to this. This one.
Hey.
Oh, that lock's still in there.
It may have to do it this way.
What is that one?
I don't know.
I hope it's that simple, dude. Alright, give me power.
All right, so quick recap. We were working on the new dash. It's an extension of the old one. We had to remove wires from the old one, put it on the new one. Small, minor scare. It did not start after we rewired it, and we chased it down. Small wire wasn't connected right. Everything's good. We're gonna move on, pretend that didn't happen. We've got the trim pieces on, and then we're gonna add LED lights to that, and then Tim added some LEDs. I mean, some tow hooks.
We added some tow hooks to the back and front of the corners of the car so we can get towed on the track when we break down.
When we break, not if we break down. Come on.
We break down.
All right, well, that's pretty much it, man. On to the next one.